Good morning, you guys. It's February 24th. We ended up taking a long here. We ended up making money because we trimmed and broke even pretty early. And I only did that because we had this resting liquidity down here. Then I thought we were going to sweep first. But yeah, basically we swept these lows. We came up, we inversed this 5-minute gap right here. And then after that, we came down, we retraced back into equilibrium. I wanted to retrace to equilibrium, and I would have entered off of it, but I'm glad I didn't, because I also wanted to see this fair value get filled, as we also came and hit equilibrium of this range. So I thought selling power could have been stronger, so I wanted to see a good reaction off this. So we entered, we got a great reaction, and my first take profit was right here at like these highs and kind of that fair value gap again. And I trimmed 5 of my 7 contracts today off. And I left one here and another one there, but I broke even, so then we obviously got stopped out. I then hopped off the market for a little bit. Oops, sorry, we'll just delete that. And I saw this level play out. Saw this. The problem is we didn't have like a real liquidity sweep. I mean, that's why like I wouldn't take a trade like this, but we had everything else. We had an inverse of a fair value gap. Tap back to equilibrium, filled this fair value gap as well, and then came back and took off. So we're seeing how it reacts in this big 5-minute. I think this is a 15-minute gap just from such a strong sell-off. I mean, yeah, I guess we've been in a 15 gap, so. But yeah, no, great trade today. Made $215. There's no major news the rest of the week. It's gonna be a shorter video because I gotta go, but news is looking good the rest of the week. So hopefully should be a clean trading week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.